Hey everyone, I'm Ren Blair, and today we'll be unboxing Flame Pandora Everlasting. Sorry, I was thinking with the Pandora. So I already got unboxed because I did like a recording of this one, me unboxing it, but I messed up on it, so yeah. But here are the parts and pieces. There's Flame. Looks pretty cool. I do like the sign of it a lot. Here's the QR code if you want. I don't think it's available on the app yet, but in the future it will be, so look out for that. Here's the acrylic disc, nothing special about it. Jolt. I believe like the red orange fire flame, looks pretty neat. And here is the B10 arm tip. So here's the box. Front, back, I see there it shows the Beyblade itself. Here are the stats. It could be a balance type and an attack type. So yeah, let's go and put it together. So see here, arm tip on, arm tip off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some test launches for the Beyblade to see how they do. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the stem set up, so we got it in corner mode right now. Let's see there. So let's do a test launch. So I forgot to say this is a right spin balance type, so let's begin. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, not bad movement, I do like that. So now let's go ahead and use the armor attachment. So let's see here, now it's the B10 armor tip on. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh yeah, definitely better movement. And not bad. I'm gonna get my Light Knight stay. Maybe I'll try it out in there. Okay, so here I got the Light Knight bow set on stay and ready. So there's Flame Pandora. See how it looks. Oh yeah, that looks awesome when it's in stadium. I like that. Let's go and do a test launch. Anyway, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Not bad. Apex mode. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Not bad. I actually like the sound of this Beyblade. Okay. So I'm gonna get some test Beyblades. Yeah, I'm gonna do like bolt strides. I'm gonna use attack stamina type Beyblades. See how it does. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So here are the test Beyblades I'm gonna be using. So I got Xiphoid, Xcalius, Gambit Dragon, Burn Knight, and Lightning Pandora. So another on the corner and Flame. Supposed to begin. So I'm gonna start with Xiphoid, Xcalius. Start off easy. Roll out Pandora first. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice attacks. So it's very similar to the Bolt Strides, so I may not do well. That's not a good start. We'll do one more battle. Watch the Xcalius first this time. Start doing all that. Okay. I mean, yeah, I did kind of land on top, but we'll count it. Okay, so we go ahead and get the next page right now. It will be Game of Dragons. So now, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah, I may have the same problem with Bolt Strikes when the shape ain't best. And that is Gambit Dragon yet again, alright. Gambit Gay again. Okay. This thing gets started, but we want to the stamina type Beyblade and see how it does. Okay, not bad. Start and actually beat it. Nope. This may just because of Jolt. Jolt is not really a great tip when it comes down to attack power rather than combat. Yep, that is Pandora again. Okay, now we move on to the harder one. Warm Night. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Attacks. But it is not enough. Okay. Whoa! I saw that. It went unbalanced for a moment like that. That is Warm Night. Okay, so I'm gonna switch them to the Apex modes. Okay, so I got their Apex modes set. Let's see here. So speaking of Xcalius here again, I'm gonna launch Flame Pandora first. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice attack from Xcalius. It's like flaming the hand with the volcano, though. Nice down win. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. Nice. That's really good. That is actually really good for Pandora to do that. Now let's move on to a harder fight, which is to be Gambit Dragon. Actually win? Hang on. No, I did pretty good though. Like, I thought it was actually gonna win that one. Now, that is Gambit Dragon. Okay. Now for a stamina type, we'll start Lightning Pandora. Lightning first. 3, 2, 1. I'm starting to like Flame Sign a lot more. Like, it actually looks really good. Ooh, that ain't good. That is Lightning Pandora. So far, I think Lightning has been the best Pandora out of all of them. Now, I feel like I got Twisted. First, it looks pretty promising to me. Yeah, Flame, I think it's gonna be second best until I get Tristan. Tyler is probably the worst one to get. Yeah, that's another boss. Okay, finally we got Warm Night. Yeah, from what I'm saying, Tyler was probably the worst one. Didn't have great attack power. I mean, it was alright, but it could have been a lot better. Now, I think Flame will definitely be second best until I get my Twitch for Pandora, which is coming instant. I think Lightning can stay on top. Then Pandora. Unless they make another evolution for it. And that's the Warm Night. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna do my Light Night battle set and see how it goes on that one. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the Light Night Stadium ready. So I see here, got them in their core mode of all phase. So I'm gonna do Xiphoid Xcalius again. So I'm gonna launch it first. Nope. Okay, first battle. Okay, so not a lot of attacks come from Pandora, which ain't good. That is Xiphoid, Xcalius. It looks really good on this deck. Flame Pandora. That was a nice deck. Man, that's Pandora. That's awesome. That's good. Okay. Come up with Gambit Dragon this time. Okay, that is Gambit, which to be expected. Okay, now what happened? There's contact. But does not matter since that was a waste of stamina. Okay. So I'm going to switch my stamina type. Got lightning. That is Lightning Pandora, okay. Check that. Oh! Oh! Circle hurt. I don't like that. Might did not help the stamina, but oh well. That is Lightning Pandora. Okay, I'm watching War Knight now. Wait, I just don't do high mode because classic is just, it doesn't really make a difference when it's in high mode, so I just don't do it. Okay, this is the War Knight, obviously. Third battle. I'm at second now, sorry. Good lord. But yeah, I think that'd be fun. Gambit versus War, see if the best attack can handle the best stamina. But anyway, here's my stamina, still the War Knight. Yeah, but still make it last. Okay, I'm gonna switch them to their Apex mode, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I got them in the Apex mode now, so let's see what happens. So I'm gonna start with Xiphoid again. So I'm gonna launch Pandora first. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Okay, all hits. That's a contact happening. And that's Xiphoid Xcalius. Okay. Second battle. Rip. That's Pandora, I think. Nice. Okay. Let's move on to Gambit. Ooh. First battle. Ooh, that is Gambit Dragon. Second battle. Talking game first. I love the way Pandora looks in this game. Actually looks really cool. But I think it's gonna lose again because it's losing stamina badly. Wait, no? So it'd be a draw, isn't it? Yep, okay. Okay, so we're going to our stamina types. We got lightning first. nice hits. There's lightning yet again. Second bounce. Wow. That is Pandora yet again. Okay. Small top 5 Beyblade, and that'll be the end of this video. War Knight. First battle for War Knight. Rip. Rip. I think it did pretty good in the Thunder Edge, but in the Lightning Knight stem, it is not doing great. Okay, that was War Knight. On to our last battle. Rip. Rip. That was War Knight yet again. Okay. So I'll say that this Beyblade it can probably do good against most attack types like Divine, Destin, Hyperion, even Valtryek. Now for some stereotypes, it could probably beat some, but not a lot. I think they could have done a lot better with the design. Well, not the design. I like the design. They could have some details, but I do like the design of the Beyblade. Now I'm looking at it. Now for the tip, they could have done better with the tip and all that armor tip, whatever. As it really does not work great. So I still think Lightning is going to be the best Pandora you can get so far. With maybe this one being second. I think Twister may beat this one though, so I don't know yet. But anyway, I say it's an alright. You'll have some fun battles with it. You won't be getting a lot of wins. It's probably a lot better than Bolt. I'm going to do a battle with them. But yeah, I'm going to end the video off here. I hope you have a good day or night from wherever you're from. Make sure to click the thumbs up button. That helps the channel a lot. Also click the subscribe button as it also helps the channel a lot in the future and you can see featured content. And comment down below what you think of this Beyblade, see what they could have done to make it better. And tell me what you thought about this video. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.